That is their target, is $1 million Bitcoin and then up from there.
So there's a lot of hopium that says that we're going to go really high, but the most conservative people are talking about 150 to $200,000 Bitcoin in the next 6 to 12 months.
Right.
And
So
these are conservative people.
right.
These are people who don't necessarily believe that much in Bitcoin. They're financial people, and they're looking at this as an asset under traditional finance viewpoint. And they're saying, that's going to go up. Things are going to get better.
And her time frame out, she was talking 5 years. She wasn't talking this year for that sort of a number. She was talking, 5 years out. But with the halving coming up and with a lot less supply and them locking up a lot of Bitcoin, how can this price not go parabolic?
The price is going up. And how fast it's going to go up is kind of about how fast people want to get in. And you think about it, we're talking about a really large amount of financial investment in a limited asset. So the price appreciation has to be there. The if we had 1,000,000 units and we had $1,000,000 invested in it, then each unit would be worth $1. But when we get $100,000,000 invested in it, it's $100 a unit. That's like 100x, right?
Right.
Well, the more people that get in, the smaller the slice of pie is worth relative to $1 because the price is going to appreciate. And the people who are in early will see their value appreciate because they're following the Bitcoin train, not the dollar train, right?
Or the gold. Here's one thing you'll love. So the gold ETFs, if you take all the gold ETFs, they take up about 1%, a little over 1% of the total market cap of gold. Right now, the BTC ETFs are taking up 3.5% this quickly of the entire market cap of Bitcoin, and we are just beginning.
Oh, it's
There,
it's so early.
but look at that number. 3.5% of the entire market cap is right now tied up in the ETFs for Bitcoin.
And I
Around
and I have been saying for a while that this is underappreciated how much things are going to change.
right.
That there's a dramatic shift coming in the way that crypto is presented as a financial vehicle.
Mhm.
And that change is drawing a lot of people in who don't really know anything about crypto, who don't really care to know anything about crypto. They just want to put it in their portfolio and hang on to a little bit of that as a hedge against whatever it is that their risks are in their portfolios.
And I think this group is starting to understand they're not talking about Bitcoin as a currency. They're talking about it as a store of value, not a currency that's going to be daily used necessarily, right? Place to park your money to keep your value as inflation is ripping apart the dollar and the dollar's just crashing in value.